instruction manual everywhere, off-road vehicles, and a sticker sheet. Here's a bag of goodies. Okay, here's the tire, and a little wrench, body clips, and there's a screwdriver in there. Okay, so these are the LiPo batteries that's going to use, and these are, not sure what kind those are. There they are. They're 1500 milliamp LiPos. This must be the charger. Okay, yeah. So here's a LiPo charger, and that's kind of a trip. That's cool. It's USB. Put the batteries in here, plug them into a USB, charge them up, and you go from there. So I think I should actually get these batteries on the charge now so we can run this thing. Here's a better shot of that manual. So it goes through just about everything you're going to need to know. Practice required, 2.4 gigahertz transmitter, the starting and running, how to charge the battery, troubleshooting. Okay, and then it goes into different languages. That's cool. Better shot of that sticker sheet. Wrench. There's that spare tire for the back, body clips, a screwdriver, and a screw. So I would imagine that we screw this onto the car. Let's get this transmitter out. Alright. 2.4 gigahertz. You've got your steering trim, you've got your throttle trim. It is going to require two AA batteries. Put them right through there. They do not come with this kit. Plastic wheel. You know, it is what it is. This is not an expensive car. This thing's about 110 bucks. Okay, there it is. It's clipped in here. Rip off the body protection film before use. The body decals can only be applied after the film has been ripped off. Okay. So it has a body film. That's kind of cool. Alright, so here it is. I mean, just by looking at this thing, I mean, it's pretty cool. And again, you know, it's like 110 bucks. You know, going in, I was thinking that this is probably a toy grade RC car, but, you know, and they say it's a hobby grade. So yeah, so, you know, first impressions is, I mean, yeah, it's 1/12 scale. It has some weight to it. I can't tell if there are foams in the tires. I don't think there's foam in the tires. Shocks look pretty good. You know, I don't think there's oil in those shocks, but you know, it doesn't. I mean, it rebounds pretty nice. It doesn't bounce as much as you would think a rig that has no oil in their shocks, and they're pretty bouncy. This, you know, I don't know, but looks pretty good so far. Here's a little cool feature. Pull these pins out, and you want to get into the car. Look at this. Very cool. There's a little heat sink here on the little brush motor. There's a light bar working light bar on this vehicle, which we'll show this later here. But here's something pretty cool. So you guys saw me pull out those 2 batteries, but this thing's got batteries already in the vehicle. So there's one there and another one here. So basically you've got 2 sets of batteries, so that's definitely a plus. Wow, super windy here in San Francisco. Anyway, off on switch. So look, there's a steel drive shaft in here. That's kind of cool. Plastic all the way around. I mean, obviously the bottom of the chassis is plastic. That's to be expected at a vehicle at this price point. You got Phillips screws throughout. So no hex here. So yeah, to get this tire on, we'll just take the supplied screw. And that's on there pretty good. You just have to, these just pop right off. That's no big deal. There's a little protective tab in there. Let's put it back in. That goes back, no problem. Let's do this again here. Easy money. Boom. Let's see if there's a little bit of a charge on this thing. I'm kind of curious myself here. Yep. Ouch. There's the LED lights. During the throttle trim was set a little high, so you had that roll. So you just throttle this back like that. Done. Fun. So you could put some stickers on this. It comes with the sticker sheet. Kind of liven it up a little bit. If you want to look at the box art, go ahead. Not do your own thing, but we're going to go ahead and just apply some stickers here, and you know, bring it to life a little bit. Kind of just looking at the box and going from there, but again, you can do your own thing. There's no rules. Alright guys, here's the car. Has its stickers. The batteries are on the charger. So first impressions without driving this thing yet, pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. I would say that, you know, this is definitely targeted at that new driver. You know, maybe the younger kid in the family that wants to get into it and explore the hobby. This would be a great place to start. You know, you're not investing too much money. It's a little over $100.